Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cynthia. If you are new here, thank you for clicking on my video. And to my subscribers, you guys know that I appreciate you. I thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, always being so nice to me in the comments and just commenting and talking to me there. I love to talk to you guys in the comments. And well, today I have another exciting haul for you guys. I had been telling you, if you guys are watching me, that I had more candles coming, and so yes, they are here. But before, they're here the same day that I filmed my last candle haul from the store. So yes, I'm wearing the same clothes. I changed up my lipstick just because I had 8 already and I had took off the other lipstick and I decided to go with the same pink one that I love. Let me tell you which one it is, because I'm wearing the same makeup from the other video, which you guys can see at the end what I'm wearing. And then as far as the lipstick, I've worn this one this week. It's from Maybelline and it is Blushing Pout 682. And then I also have the Maybelline Lifter Gloss, which I've worn a lot, several times here. And the color is Amber 007. So yeah, that is what I have on my lips. And then as far as the rest of the makeup, go to the video from yesterday and check out the last part of the video. I have it in there. Now, this is another exciting collaboration. It's one of our friends here. Friends, you guys know I mention her a lot because I just really enjoy our friendship that we've developed here on YouTube. And yes, that is you, Teesha Keen. Thank you for collaborating with me. And I am so happy to just be able to help you grow your YouTube channel. And friends, please go check out her video. I want you guys to go see what she bought. So we collaborated in this video. We just were talking about it. And then, we were both buying some online things with the candle sale, the buy two get two, and I know that she bought several candles, so go check out her video. She says that a lot of the candles that she picked out were because I influenced her, so go see what candles she got and what candles I was able to influence her on. I'm going to be checking out that video because she didn't tell me, which is good, that way I can go see what she bought and what basically, did I make her do it? Yeah, so go check out Teesha Keen, please. And I'm going to show you what I have now, okay? Let's get into the video. Now, the first thing I bought, I didn't buy it. It was with one of my rewards. Look at this cute turtle. It's supposed to light up. I am so I love all these light up ones too. I always thought I don't need a nightlight, right? But I've been buying or getting a lot of these light up wall plugins. And you know what? They help. Like when I walk through the hallway, and I actually have a plug-in that's, which one is it? I think it's like the flower one, that's a light up one. And I have it in the hallway bathroom. And now I don't feel like I don't have to turn on the light when I walk through at night, like in the dark. It's not as dark no more. So it's good. So I'm excited to use this one. I don't know if Aiden or one of the kids will take it from me, but if not, I wanted to put it in the living room. It's cute. So yes, I was so excited when I saw this, and I got it with my rewards. So this I did not pay for. The only thing I paid for was basically 2 candles, right? Because 2 of them were free. The candles came out, I got 4 from online. They came out to $9.80 because I had a 20% off coupon as well. So let's go into the first one. Let's pray that they're not broken or anything wrong with them. And these are all online exclusives, meaning you can only buy them online. They don't sell them in stores, I guess, unless somebody returned them. Here's the first one. And this is called, the packaging is so nice. It's like black, and that looks like flowers. I don't know what flower that is. You guys can let me know. And it's called Lakeside Morning. And let's see the notes. The notes is crisp autumn air, white driftwood, a hint of green apple. Green apple. Let's see. Oh, and it smells so fresh and clean too. Just like, you know what? I turned on that one is called Fresh Spring Morning. So why do these morning ones, they smell like so fresh and so clean? But yes, I love the scent of this one. This one's stronger. When I first opened, that's why I'm trying this one out. I just turned it on, so I can't say much about it. When I first opened this one and I smelled it, it's strong. On cold sniff, this is a strong one and it smells really good. I get kind of like a cologne-y vibe from it too. Autumn air, but it smells really good. Oh yeah, this is the thing, like a lot of the times we shouldn't really get scared, right? Because online exclusives, even if we can't smell them in store or anything like that, with Bath and Body Works, they make it so easy for us to just exchange it in store if we're not happy or return it. Oh, I like this one. I would recommend it. I can't, describe everything about it, but it does smell fresh and clean, but it's definitely a stronger scent than that one back there on a cold sniff. And I am so excited to use this one. Let's go into the next one. I was so excited to get this one because I have the body care for it. And it's just an online exclusive, as I said. These are all online exclusives. Look at this, 1,000 Wishes. And you guys know I love pink. The wax is pink. And oh my goodness, they just, smell so good. Oh yes. Oh yes. Let's go into the notes for this one. We have sparkling champagne, crystal peonies, almond cream with essential oils. Now, I know that the body care has amber, I believe, and pink prosecco, I think it starts with. I couldn't find, I need to organize my stuff. That's why I'm telling you guys I'm going to do a collection video this week because my stuff is all over the place right now. And I couldn't find my body care for it, but I was like, I know the notes are not matching. The notes are not the same. And that's known with Bath and Body Works. If you guys didn't know, a lot of times the candles, I think they should, if they have the same name as the body care, they don't always match up to the body care. They change things up. And so this one's different, but it still smells so good. Oh, I still get like a perfumey vibe, like, the peony and then the sparkling champagne. It smells really good. I recommend this one. I recommend you try it, and I think it's good, but it is different notes than the body care. And I couldn't find my body care, so I can kind of compare just scents and even look at the notes, but I went and I looked and I couldn't find it. So I was like, forget it. Okay, let's go into the next one. So those were two already. Oh, this one I had been wanting for a while. I had been seeing people haul it and then saying that they really like it and everything. So I wanted to try this banana cabana, and I like banana scents. Like, I've been interested in the banana bun. Is it banana bun cake? Anyways, that one I'm interested in as well, but I haven't gotten it yet just because like other ones always end up topping it and I end up getting others. Oh yeah, I can smell the banana, and it's more like a banana smoothie, like tropical. Yes, banana cabana. I feel like a banana smoothie. I can smell the banana, different than the banana bun cake. Is that, if that's what it's completely called? I don't know. I don't have it. I just always look at it. And yeah, because that one I can smell the cake on it, the bundt cake on it, and it's a little bit different of a banana. This one says sun-kissed bananas, sea spray, warm vanilla. Like I said, I smell the banana. And I think the bananas where the vanilla, it kind of changes the scent of the banana, making it a lighter scent. I always think that vanillas bring scents down a little bit. Not a bad thing all the time. I think it's good, but yes, I'm excited to burn this one. Yes, banana smoothie. The only thing is you might crave a smoothie. I can't remember what people explain this one as. This is just what I'm getting from. Trust me, it's been a while this has been out for, and I did watch reviews in the beginning, but I can't remember them. My memory is not that great. Last one, last candle. Last one is coconut sandalwood. Coconut sandalwood. You guys know anything with coconut. I feel like I should already love this one, but we'll see. Oh, I don't know if I smell the coconut in here though. The sandalwood, I would say a little more than the coconut. I can't detect the coconut, but either way, it smells good. It's just, I'm saying I cannot detect it says coconut palm, maybe because it's coconut palm. Luxurious sandalwood. I can smell the sandalwood, warm musk, jasmine with essential oils. Maybe even the jasmine and the musk a bit. But yeah, I can't smell the coconut in this one, friends. I'm not sure, that's just me, but I still like it and I'm still excited to burn it. I forget to show you guys the lids, and here's this one. We'll go through them again because I don't have a lot anyways. Okay, so that is the last one. Now the 1,000 wishes, here's the lid for that one. This one's really simple, like nothing special with this lid here. I don't care for it. And then this one has like just the black lid, which is the banana cabana black lid. I'm gonna tell you which one's my favorite lid. And then this one's the white barn lid for the Lakeside morning white barn lid. So of course this one, I don't know how do you explain this lid, but this one is the prettiest. This one is the prettiest lid. I actually wish all of them had, even if it was different color, that they all had like this one. Okay, now I have 2 more things. Even though this was more of a candle haul, I wanted to go over with you guys because I bought these for my hygiene products, like body washes and all that for my bathroom. And this is the one that Living Ash, I couldn't make it work in my bathroom, so I don't know how it's supposed to, like how your corner of your bathroom is supposed to be. It's supposed to fit. In her video, like it fits perfectly. I have to return it. I have bought it from Amazon and I already I just have to take it back to Kohl's. I'll be dropping it off and I have to return it because it does not fit in my bathroom. It came with 2 of them. So hopefully, I think a couple of you guys, let me know if it fit in your bathroom, also got it. But no, it doesn't fit in my bathroom. I wish it did because I really like the way it looked. But there is something else. I'll show you guys a little picture. Hopefully if I could overlay it or whatever you call it, B-roll it on here and show you guys this other one that I'm going to open up here. I bought one of those and it's in the bathroom already. And I just bought another one because this one worked. So just opening the package from Amazon. And so I got another one of these and I got it on Amazon. This thing right here, it hooks onto the back. This goes on the wall and you just it has like, this is like a little tape, I don't know, but it sticks really easily. You don't have to wet it or do anything like that. You just take this part off right here that comes off. I don't know if you guys can see that. You take that off and then you put it straight onto clean the bathroom wall behind you and then stick it on there, and it's very easy. It works really well, and hopefully I showed you the picture of how it looks in my bathroom. And so then I'm gonna just put this one a little lower from the one I have and set some things on here. The Tree Hut scrubs fit really well in here, and then even like if you have either Dove or OGX, 2 of them fit like this, so you would be able to fit 3 this way, 6 total, I believe, if that's all you wanted to put. But you would see like how you want to arrange that. But this one works really good. I just also wanted to have that other one, so I wanted to have more stuff in there. But yeah, that is all that I have for you guys, and I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my candle haul. And again, go check out our friend. I call her, it's our friends. We're friends here. Teesha Keen, her channel, and see what she got for her candles. I think she bought more, like her haul I think is going to be bigger than mine. But as you guys know, I will tell you, I might do another video where I show you all the candles in one video that I currently bought, because I treated this buy two get two, and I had 20% off. I treated it like a the candle day sale. That's kind of how I treated it, and I got me like 20 candles, I think. I know I always get about that amount for candle days, so that is why I'm saying I treated it that same way. But again, I had the cash for it, friends. I've been working hard for it, and as long as we don't go into debt, I always keep saying that is what matters, at least to me. So thank you again, friends, for coming and watching my videos. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. And again, if you're not subscribed to my channel, hope that you subscribe and like the video. If you like the video, friends, hit the post notifications, because I do upload every single day. I don't have exact time frame, but I definitely upload daily. And again, friends, stay blessed, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.